Top 5 free 4K video editing software. Looking to edit stunning 4K videos without spending a dime? Today, we're diving into the top 5 free 4K video editing software you can start using right now. Section 1, Vinci Resolve. Kicking things off at number 1, we've got Vinci Resolve. This is a go-to choice for professionals. And yes, there's a fully free version. You get advanced color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and yes, full support for 4K editing. The learning curve is steep, but the results? Absolutely cinematic. Platform: Windows, macOS, Linux. Best for advanced users, color grading. 4K export. Free version supports it. Number 2, HitFilm. Next up, HitFilm, a powerful editor with built-in VFX tools. The free version includes a lot of pro-level features, perfect for content creators who want to level up without paying up. 4K export is supported, but you'll need to create a free account to unlock it. Platform: Windows, macOS. Best for YouTubers, short films, effects. 4K export with free account. Section 3, CapCut. Coming in hot at number 3 is CapCut for desktop. You may know it from mobile, but the desktop version is surprisingly powerful. It's user-friendly, supports 4K resolution, and even includes AI tools like auto captions and background removal, all 100% free. Platform: Windows, macOS. Best for beginners, social media editors. 4K export. Section 4, Shotcut. Number 4 is Shotcut, a no-frills, open-source video editor. It supports 4K, wide format compatibility, and doesn't require a beefy PC to run. The interface isn't the prettiest, but it gets the job done and for free. Platform: Windows, macOS, Linux. Best for lightweight, open-source fans. 4K export. Section 5, Lightworks. Finally, we have Lightworks. This one's used in Hollywood by editors of films like The King's Speech. The free version has a professional-grade interface, and 4K export is now available, a huge win for creators on a budget. Platform: Windows, macOS, Linux. Best for film editing, prosumer use. 4K export. Recent updates.